Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 3 different size foam pumpkins from Dollar Tree. The largest one I'm mixing together Pueblo acrylic paint by Folkart and truffle chalk paint by Waverly. And I give that pumpkin full coverage. I then paint the medium size one with plaster chalk paint, and that's also by Waverly. I don't bother painting real good on the bottom or the top because both of those will be covered. And then I ended up switching the smallest pumpkin I'm using. I didn't like the big line that was through the other one. So I went with this one and painted it just with the Pueblo acrylic paint by Folkart. I'm taking the stem from the medium-sized pumpkin and I'm cutting that down so it's a little bit smaller, and then painting that with the truffle color chalk paint. That will go on the smallest pumpkin. I then hot glue the 3 together, largest to smallest. And then take that stem and hot glue that to the smallest pumpkin. I add some hot glue between where each of the pumpkins meet and place in some Spanish moss. Next, I'm taking this leaf pick that's also from Dollar Tree and cutting away some of the leaves, and then hot gluing them throughout the moss. I then go around and trim up the moss, and then take some of these different berry picks and cut small pieces and pull away small pieces and hot glue them throughout the leaves and moss. I do add some of these small little berries to the top as well as some acorns, but I don't end up liking how it looks, so I do remove those. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.